to build a house when I get home.
Isn't that totally exhausting?
Well, there's one big challenge, yes.
One big challenge?
The seaweed for the insulation.
It's a seaweed for insulation. Are you sure you want to build a house?
Absolutely sure. Using natural material that would be otherwise be highly expensive to dispose of works perfectly.
That sounds like a win-win situation. So, what is your problem?
The seaweed is full of garbage and trash and sand.
Well, you're lucky that the seaweed sorters have solved the problem for you. Let me solve it.
Our solution is the seaweed sorterer. It's a smart green machine to separate garbage from seaweed. Let me explain you how it works. You see here two different camera angles of the same process. In the first step, we have a lattice structure which is vibrating and so separates smaller pieces of garbage from the seaweed. And in the second step, we detect the bigger parts of the garbage which remained on the plate by using a camera system which is mounted on the robot arm. And using an AI, the cobot knows where the bigger parts are on the plate and can then grab them. We use the iGos Rebel cobot to do so, and it puts them on the belt. Normally it should land in this box there, okay, it's a prototype. And the last step is to tilt the cleaned up seaweed into a box.
Now I will going to tell you how our solution impacts the market. First of all, the expensive disposal of seaweed is eliminated mostly because the clean seaweed can be used properly now. For example, at a beach of approximately 100 kilometers, there are around 50,000 tons of seaweed every year all around the Earth's coasts. So a lot of material to be used. House building becomes cheaper, greener and more sustainable by using local materials that are right around the corner. Also, the seaweed can be used for medical products and produce blankets and fabrics.
And here you can see our great team, which has done a great job the last days. Our team consists out of 12 people from 3 different countries and several universities and companies.
The next steps to improve our prototype and its possibilities are to scale it up to industrial dimensions and to connect it to maybe prototypes of other teams and groups, which we will see soon in the next presentations. Finally, we would like to thank everyone who made it possible for us to develop this prototype, especially the IGES team, ITQ, and of course, Dr. Rainer Stetter. Thank you.
Thank you guys, and up next we see weed.